If you are watching this right now, you must be interested in data. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you some couple of YouTube channels that will definitely help you to learn Microsoft Excel to analyze data. So let's just quickly go into it. The last one is definitely a channel that will actually help you to build your portfolio and get it ready for job. So let us do that quickly right on my screen. So over here, the first YouTube channel is actually a tutorials point. They have over 3.7 million subscribers. And you know what? Numbers don't lie. So what you need to do once you get over here is to actually go over to videos right in here. And as you're actually on the videos part here, the next thing you have to do is to actually use the sorting part, either popular, latest, or go to the oldest part right in here. And what I normally do if I'm in either of the tabs right here, I always use the search bar here that they have. This mini search bar controls the channel homepage. So you can actually search for Excel because they have other videos on this particular channel that is not for Microsoft Excel. So once you search for Excel, what you have done right here now is to narrow every single result you're going to see on Microsoft Excel, and you can actually start seeing what they actually have for you. So the beautiful thing about this particular channel is that it's going to actually take you from the elementary down to the advanced level. If I talk about elementary, it simply means you don't have any knowledge about Microsoft Excel. It's going to take you through what is Excel worksheet, workbooks, Cell, every single segment of Microsoft Excel will be taught to you, and you become very much comfortable using Microsoft Excel and navigating Microsoft Excel. All right. So the next one is going to be this very lady right in here. So this lady has taught me a lot when it comes to Microsoft Excel. It's not only about the one she posted right here on YouTube. I have purchased her courses, years back. So, and she has a lot to actually teach you. Make sure you come over here to actually, learn Microsoft Excel from her. Always use either the playlist or you go through the video and do from oldest, popular, down to the latest one, whichever one you're comfortable with. And for you to narrow it down to Microsoft Excel alone, just try to use this mini search bar right in here to search for just Excel, and it's going to be narrowed down to Excel. Okay, next one here, this particular person here is strictly for, I think 90% of the videos found here is about Microsoft Excel. And one beautiful thing about this particular channel right in here is that it's going to give you every single knowledge you want about Microsoft Excel. In fact, watching this particular man teaching you about Excel is going to actually help you to narrow down the amount of errors you're going to encounter when you start working with complex data, because it's going to teach you every single thing you need to do to avoid those particular errors. Function is what you're going to learn right in here. Excel functions, Excel pivot table, how to answer business questions. This particular man here will teach you every single thing you need to know. So for that, come to Excel is fun to learn about Microsoft Excel right on this particular channel. So the next one on my list right in here is going to be this very lady right in here. She's going to teach you every single thing you need to know about how to create dashboard, visualization, pivot table, and every single thing about function as well will be taught right on this channel. Okay, enough of this. The next one is going to be my own personal channel that teaches you how to bring every single thing you have learned on those particular channels right in here together to create one solid project, which is going to actually help you to create your portfolio. So which channel is that? Let's go through it. So go over to the search bar and search for data with decision. So hit the enter key, and here you go. Let us scroll down. Now you find it. Can you see it now? Click on this. So once you are here, the next thing you have to do.
Hi everyone.
Let's pause this one.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. If this is the first time hitting.
So now you can click on videos. I'm going to see some couple of videos I have right here about Microsoft Excel. So over here I have videos on Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI. If you are just getting started, you don't have to start learning Power BI right now. Excel is the first thing you have to actually start learning. So don't bother about Power BI that I have right in here. Although I am going to be making videos on the best YouTube channel to start learning Power BI from before you come to this particular channel, because this channel is dedicated to only people that want to build, projects analyze data, create reports, dashboards, and actually help businesses make decisions. I don't teach anything elementary right on this particular channel, but every single functions and formulas I have used right in here are well explained. But the best thing to do is to make sure you have elementary knowledge about what Excel is all about or what Power BI is all about before you can be able to do well to watch my videos right in here. I'm just being realistic. I don't just want views. I want somebody who I'm going to give values to, and that is exactly what it is. So all you have to do right in here is to come to my playlists. So once you jump into the playlist, look at this particular one. It says Excel Call Center Dashboard for Sales and Marketing. So if I click on it right now, it's going to open up this for me.
All right, everyone. Nice having you here. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to...
So paused. So over here now, as you can see, you can go through the playlist right in here, watch the first video, the second video, the last, and every single thing, and all of that. That is exactly what you need to do to follow up step by step. So if you're looking forward to building a very solid project in Microsoft Excel, this particular channel that is mine will definitely help you to combine every single thing you have learned together to actually create a very solid project. Every single data set you need to actually work with is right in here for you. Don't bother about, oh, how am I going to get data to practice? I have shown you how to actually get data from other sources on my YouTube channel. Please do explore it. I believe this particular video will definitely help someone. And if it does help you, please do me a favor to subscribe and support the channel. So it's very important. So share, comment, and let me know what you feel about my videos. So see you in my next videos.